Hi guys, I'm Slayer and today I'm going to show you how to import 3D models into Figma. If you're ready, open Figma and click the design button on the home page. Then click the actions icon in the menu below. Type Simple 3D Viewer in the search bar and open it. Next step, click the Add 3D Object button. Then, click once on the 3D model file you want to import into your Figma project, and then click the Open button. Here you will see a preview of the 3D model. Finally, you can import it into your project by clicking Export to Figma. As you can see, it was successfully added. I hope this step-by-step how to import 3D model in Figma tutorial video was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.